For the past 4 years, Out of the City has been offering a free arts camp to urban and international youth, giving them a week in the country to learn, meet each other, and make art together. Since 2009, we have seen a steady rise in the diversity and the amount of participants coming to our camp. I think it's because the word is spreading. We give our students a chance to learn new skills in a calm and natural setting, full of people from all over the world. We have met students from the Congo, Zimbabwe, Jordan, Sri Lanka, the Philippines, Greece, Bolivia, Haiti, the Sudan, and of course, Canada. The cornerstone of the camp is our Zimbabwean stone sculpting workshop, where we teach sculpting techniques using hand tools and a piece of actual Zimbabwean stone. Stonework is hard work, so we make sure that everyone gets a good, hearty meal at lunchtime. Many of our participants have never eaten traditional Zimbabwean food. After lunch, our dance and movement instructors teach a range of styles from interpretive dance to hip-hop to Zumba, as well as movement-based theater. Over the years, we have had a number of recognized Ontario dub and slam poets come to the camp to teach their craft. We are always surprised by the quality of the work that the students create in these workshops. Another cornerstone of Out of the City is the marimba workshop. Students are given an introduction to a variety of rhythms and a chance to write their own group pieces. In their downtime, our students are invited to create visual art under the guidance of Brian Nichols, a well-known art therapist from the Peterborough area. Brian's workshop includes sgraffito, pastel, and t-shirt printmaking. We are trying to make sure that every one of these workshops relates back to the sculptures our students are creating. Because of this, the camp becomes a unified interdisciplinary experience which helps focus the personal journey each of our participants take. Each year, we are surprised by the results, surprised by what the students have learned, surprised that they like to be pushed, that they expect to work hard to finish what they start. I think it's what happens when people from all over come together to focus on something we all believe so strongly in.